Hey guys, how's it going today? We are back once again with my handsome little buddy RJ. He is with me today. He's going to stay on the surface with Mama. Got this little boat ramp here in the middle of absolutely nowhere. I was just snorkeling around a little bit earlier to see if there's anything in here. There's some trash in there, so we're going to go ahead and dive on in. Hopefully find some really cool stuff, but at least definitely be pulling that trash on out of there. Ain't that right, buddy?
Yep.
Welcome back, guys. We are all done and we pulled out some trash. Not really any treasures today, just a lot of trash, but any day that we pull out trash out of the river makes for a good video. So as you guys can see, this is what we found.
Why are you putting that at the end of video? Mom, why did Dad find a shoe?
Because somebody lost a shoe.
This is one of those electronic vape things, I'm assuming. Nice little bracelet that my son likes. Here you go, buddy. It's all you now. And then, other than that, I mean, I pulled this out because I thought it looked kind of cool. I just wanted to really see what it says. It says Southern Clay Manufacturer. But other than that, I mean, they're really, it wasn't all that bad, but I seen a little bit of trash, so I figure I might as well try to go ahead and get it on out. No treasures, just trash, but that's still good. And we also got that rib bone over there. Now that right there, that was a pain in the butt to get out of the water, as you guys have seen. My biggest thing is, as you guys also seen underneath the water, I was afraid that maybe like a body or something was wrapped up in it, because it looked like it was wrapped around something, but luckily there was not. But I was kind of a little nervous pulling that out, just because you never know in these rivers anymore. And then some metal, a couple fossils. That's about it, guys. Thank you for watching once again. Please make sure to share. And what I'm going to be doing here, and probably the next video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of 2 Oakley sunglasses. Look forward to that. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please help us grow. Help us continue cleaning out this waterway of everywhere.